Hey guys, if your Google Maps is not working on your iPhone, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Now, because Google Maps requires our location to provide us with the data, the first thing we're going to check is our location settings. So to do this, we need to head over to our settings, come down to privacy and security. Then at the top here, just make sure location services is turned on. Then we need to scroll down and find the Google Maps application from this list. And once you've found Google Maps inside of here, we're just going to select it. Make sure allow location access is set to always, and also toggle on precise location. Then come back once again, and come back over to the settings menu. The next thing we need to do is come inside all general, come over to background app refresh. Now, this is another important feature that we need to have enabled, so go ahead and select background app refresh and make sure this is turned on. You can either have this set to your Wi-Fi, or if you're using Google Maps, I'd recommend Wi-Fi and mobile data and hit back. Then scroll down your list of applications and locate Google Maps from this list. And once again, make sure Google Maps is toggled on here. Then we're going to come back over to our home screen, head over to Google Maps, click your profile icon in the top right hand side, come over to settings, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and come inside of About, Terms and Privacy. Then at the bottom here, we need to select Clear Application Data and press OK. And then once again, come back over to the profile icon, come inside of Settings, scroll all the way down to About, Privacy and Terms, and this time select Reset Google Usage ID and hit OK. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working, then the last thing that I would recommend is just to uninstall the Google Maps application by holding it down and selecting Remove App. Click on Delete App, and then you'll need to restart your iPhone and head back over to the App Store and reinstall Google Maps. And that's it guys, that's how you fix the Google Maps issue on your iPhone. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.